Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can create a custom theme according to your company's branding guidelines and deploy that to a SharePoint Modern look and feel. First thing, you have to get the branding guidelines from the company. So in this case we working on the shell theme side. The primary color is this, text color is this, and background color is this. So we got all this information in hand. Now we will go to this link. I will put this in the description, and what we're going to do is I'm going to just replace the primary color here without the hash, and secondary color I'm going to replace it here, and the third color we left it white. So this is the custom branding color scheme we got generated from this tool. So what I'm interested in is PowerShell script, so I'll just copy that into a notepad in a variable. If I just show you the variable, that is a theme template. So if the next thing I'm going to do is using SharePoint Online Management Shell, you're going to run this command with the name of the theme, and the palette, which is this variable, is inverted false, and overriding is already exists. So I'm just gonna quickly go back here, run this one first in that script. So I got that information there, and then now I'm gonna run this LSPO and connect. Don't forget to connect to your SP Online service. I've already done that. So if you just click on that, now the theme should be available to apply on this shell side. So if I just refresh this page, and I can apply the theme on the SharePoint Modern Communication side. So if you're a site admin, from the setting button, if I click on change the look, click on theme, you can see the custom shell theme is available. If I just select that theme and save, now you can see that the custom shell theme with the yellow and gray color scheme is applied on the side. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so. I will be uploading new videos every single week around Office 365 applications.